This video is sponsored by Bellway Fiber, our favorite fiber product.
You know those days when it's really, really hot?
Yeah.
And the last thing you want to do is cook in a hot kitchen and turn the oven or the stove on.
And you don't want hot food.
No, you don't.
Solution today, cool and crunchy shrimp salad. Simple, delicious, and you are going to love it.
Hi, Robyn and Danna here with Lean Healthy Ages and the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive Diet book.
Okay, we are going to tell you the ingredients, chop it all up, throw it together. It really is a 5-minute meal. The star of the show is cooled cooked shrimp. However you want to do it, from the deli counter, about 2 cups? About 2 cups. Iceberg lettuce. Don't write us about the little nutritional value, we know it, but sometimes you want that cold crunch, and it's just the platform for the shrimp. We're going to make the dressing out of a healthy avocado mayo and scallions chopped finely, and it's going to permeate. It's basically making almost like a ranch dressing, but it's simple, but you get that extra texture of the onions. Bring out the little mystery kids here. Frozen peas. They're what makes it even colder and crunchier. We'll explain in just a second how long to let that sit. I like to top it at the very end with sliced toasted almonds. We also have, if you want a little more crunch, some cooled and rough cut water chestnuts. So we're going to pop all that together. The peas will be frozen, but just let it all sit in your salad bowl 5 or 6 minutes. That let the peas thaw, but not 100%. You're going to be amazed at just the texture and the coldness. Refreshing meal. Okay, so we didn't want to crunch in your faces, but we've tasted the salad. Of course, I've made it many, many times.
This is my first time, and it's really, really good. And one of my favorite parts is the water chestnut crunch.
We have links to the recipe in the notes, and if you like this recipe, give us a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our email newsletter, please do so you can get updates anytime we post a new video.
We love Bellway because they use organic psyllium. They sweeten with monk fruit. One of the best parts about it is when you mix the delicious flavors, like berry is my favorite, in water, it really mixes up and doesn't get thick and sludgy, and it's so easy and delicious to drink.
I absolutely love the super fiber plant protein shake. 1 scoop and you've got a delicious drink that delivers 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. The carbohydrate is only 5, so the net carbs are 0. It is a great way to nourish yourself and bump up your protein.
If you want to learn more about Bellway Fiber, click the link provided, and when you order for the first time, use the promo code that we give you to get a discount on your first order.